lesson you'll uncover the most cost-effective way of obtaining your setup assets. In this process you will develop systems that will enable you to run your shared housing program with ease. Also, you will have a clear understanding of where to purchase and how to keep within your budget. When first approaching your room setup objectives in a cost-effective way, think about what you would need if you were in a room. Have you noticed in a hotel, the rooms seem to have several items of convenience? For example, coffee pots, small refrigerator, ironing board, TV, etc. You would need to take the same approach when setting up rooms for tenants. Understand that in most cases the tenants you receive from non-profits are not going to have many belongings. The list that you create won't